All right, we're getting to the more important files. So the layouts folder contains one really important file called the theme.liquid. So the theme.liquid is actually your whole website, and this contains kind of all the information about your website, like you would see in a regular HTML CSS website. It contains the header, or the HTML, all the scripts, and the body. So the reason this is important is if you're going to be using jQuery or any other kind of extensions, you usually have to put the script of those into the head, or before the closing head tags. So just remember that anytime you want to import some kind of packages, or even your CSS file goes here, or the SCSS file. So also, if you create a custom CSS file, maybe I'll just show you that quickly here. You can create a new asset, blank SCSS. Let's do a liquid and custom. So the way you would import it is actually just like this. Very easy, right? Also, quick tip: if you press this, kind of you get rid of that the sidebar over there. So you would put anything that you would usually put in the head. So the theme is a very important file. Next, we're going to be looking at the templates. So the templates are also one of those files that really puts together the store. So the templates is anything that is a page on in Shopify. So if you have like an about page, that's a template, and we can see that over here. We have the contact page, an example page that I created, and just the regular page template. And those page templates you can choose in your pages, right? If you go to the pages and you create a new page, your templates will show up over here. And this is like a really cool way to create pages that you're going to be reusing, or if you wanted to create something custom for your store. Templates are, one of the building blocks of Shopify. So I'll see you in the next video, and we're going to be talking about sections and snippets. Thanks.